Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Cooking Connection by Heena. Yes, I'm back after a year. I have come up with a yummy recipe, chicken biryani recipe. I hope you all like it and keep supporting me like before. So let's get started. I have taken 1 kg chicken. For 1 kg chicken, we need 1 kg basmati rice. I have washed, soaked for 20 minutes. Now we need whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 4 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cardamom and cloves, 5 onions sliced, 4 tomatoes sliced, 10 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and the masala dabba. Sorry for the inconvenience. I thought I was shooting, but I missed the first part. You have to take a pot, heat it, add oil, add the whole spices, add onion, add salt and saute it well until golden brown. Salt makes the process faster. It's slightly brown now. You need to add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. The raw smell should go off. You can feel the beautiful aroma of ginger garlic. You need to add green chili slits. Mix it. Add sliced tomatoes. Mix it well. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes in low to medium flame. After 2 minutes, you can see the masala is well cooked. Yes. Now let's add the masalas. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste, and mix it well. Now add the chicken to the masala, mix it well. The masala should be coated well to the chicken. Now cover it and cook for another 10 minutes in low to medium flame. After 10 minutes, mix it well, give it a stir, cover it and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix it well. The masala is cooked, the chicken is half cooked. Need to add 1 cup of water. Yes, 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix. Cover it and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. Mashallah, the chicken masala is ready. Yes, the masala is perfectly cooked and the chicken is perfectly cooked. You can have it with rotis also. Now garnish with coriander leaves. Cover it and let's begin for the biryani rice preparation. Let's go first. Take a pot, boil water, add 2 bay leaves, 3 to 4 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves and 4 cardamom. Add salt. Salt in the sense water should be salty. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it well and taste the water. It should be salty. Add soaked rice, give it a stir and let it cook. It should be cooked 90% and it's cooked. Let's drain it. The rice is ready. The masala is ready. Wow. The birista is ready. Cashew fry is ready and the food color. Let's start the beautiful part, my favorite part, layering. Let's layer it. Enjoy it. You guys, this voiceover was so difficult for me. Inshallah, I'll try my level best to continue this way. Inshallah. Do try this chicken biryani recipe. Do give me your feedback. You will love it. Now let's keep the biryani for dum. In low flame, keep a pan. On top of the pan, keep the biryani pot and give dum for 15 minutes in low flame. Voila, the chicken biryani is ready. I hope you guys loved my recipe. I hope you'll try it. Inshallah, do give me your feedback. Let's serve hot. Thank you guys. Until next time, see you. Take care. Bye. Enjoy biryani.